One of the toughest careers on the planet is being a real estate agent. No other industry has an 80% failure rate after the first 2 years. Competition is fierce and expenses are high. There's a good chance of going bankrupt in this business, but there's a small percentage of salespeople that earn more money than you could ever imagine. Anyone that's successful in sales has systems and unique approaches that allow them to stand out, get attention, and attract more clients than ever before. When I come to their town and completely revamp their entire operation, they find out what being a top producer is all about. Income starts rolling in, and they can finally pay off all their debts to build a real net worth for themselves. Most real estate agents struggle during the first part of their career, but later, they get the help that they need for an immediate turnaround. And that's exactly what we do right here on Greg Luther's Real Estate Rescue. Season 1 premieres in the summer of 2025 with 6 episodes in 6 different states. Be sure you're following this page so you can get priority notification and bonus content specifically for licensed agents that want to sell more houses in their own marketplace. Season 1 will be various types of home prices, different types of agents, and various backgrounds so you can see how any agent can rescue their business in their own marketplace. Follow the page and turn on notifications so you can watch episode 1 a couple of days before the public release.